Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is Papa Kitchen. Thank you so much. It's been a while. I miss you guys so much. I hope you're doing so nice. In this video, we are going to be making Ghana Nkontomere stew or Egushie stew. Yes. Somebody requested for this recipe, so I decided to make it again. Yeah, so enjoy and let's get started. Alright, first, so you'll be needing your ingredients. As you can see, I have a bowl of fresh spinach. If you don't like spinach, guys, I don't know, because that's what the recipe is. And if you don't have the fresh one, you can use the frozen ones. I think they sell the frozen ones like in African store, but the fresh one is everywhere. Okay, yeah. And also, guys, I'm gonna add a little bit twist to my stew today. So I have about boiled beans, black eyed beans. I am going to add just to twist my stew a little bit. And also I have my Zomi, guys. This oil is awesome. And don't forget about your Egushie. This is the main part of it, or melon seeds. Yeah, you need that for this recipe. If you don't have that, you can use eggs. And also I'm gonna add some Turmeric that I used before. I'm gonna add just a little bit, not all of it. And also you need your Geisha. If you don't have Geisha, you can use mackerel. And my seasoning, I'm using turmeric, cayenne pepper, cumin, and then don't forget to add your salt. And also I have a little bit of mixed spice on this side. Yeah, if you don't have mixed spice, guys, use whatever seasoning that you have. And also I have some 2 fresh tomatoes. I have my garlic. You know, I love garlic. I have 2 hot pepper, that is habanero. Yeah, 2 of them. If you don't like too spicy, you can use just 1. And I have 1 medium red onion. Yes. So right in the clean bowl, guys, I added about water. So I'm just gonna soak the Egushie because it's a little hard to blend. Yeah, so make sure you soak it in the water for about, let's say, 10 minutes or whenever it's ready to go into the stew. Yeah, this is very important. So go ahead and soak it in the water. And then now I have my vegetables. Okay, I have some of them. So right now I am going to blend all of it together, guys. You know, I just want to blend it because I like this way, but this way it's cooked faster, stress-free, it tastes better. Yeah, so if you want to follow this recipe, go ahead, you do exact way that I'm doing. Okay, and yeah, make sure you cut all your vegetables and then we are going to blend it together. And guys, with the Turmeric, don't use all of it. Okay, with mine I'm going to use about just 2 teaspoons of it. Okay, because I don't want it to be too tomato, like I don't want tomato to be more in this, so I'm just using just a little bit of it. Or if you don't have tomato paste, you can use straightforward fresh tomatoes. Okay, all right, so I'm going to add my seasoning. I'm adding about a half teaspoon of turmeric. Yeah, if you don't have turmeric, you have any seasoning, like I said, if you have your best seasoning, go ahead and use it. I'm using the same half teaspoon of cayenne pepper and also another teaspoon of cumin. Cumin is very healthy spice. You know, my food, I don't use Maggi or anything, so I try to use the spicy or the heartiest spice that I have so far. So I have my oil already. It is nice and hot in a medium heat. That is what we are going to cook it. So I just cut another half of onion because wow, you agree with me, so I just added about a half red onion to it. So I'm just gonna fry it with the oil for about 5 minutes. Okay, not longer than that. So guys, after 5 minutes, you're gonna see that it's gonna change color, and then you can add your tomato paste. All the tomato paste that you have. In this way, it's very easy, just a quick. And also, don't forget to add your mixed spice. Okay, and then give it a little stir. Allow it to simmer or let it cook for about 15 minutes. Okay, guys, this way is awesome. And also, don't forget about your salt. Yeah, like I said, I'm loving thick salt these days, so I think that it's a very healthy food. Alright guys, so now make sure you cook it in a medium heat. Next, as you can see, it's been cooking for 50 minutes and it's doing amazing. So I'm going to add my Geisha. If you don't like Geisha, like I said, or if you don't have it, you can use mackerel, you can use tuna, you can use whatever you have. Okay, just you need a little flavor fish flavor or meat flavor. If you don't have even geisha, you can use meat. Yeah, that is your choice. Okay, so after this, you're going to add our egushie. Yes, and as you can see, guys, I just blended my egushie. It look very nice, guys. Don't buy the powder one, okay? Make sure you buy the seeds. Come home, blend it yourself, okay? Because when you use the seeds, you can tell the difference. You know, this is better, okay? I like this better than the powder. But if you like the powder, you can just go ahead and use it. But to my opinion, I like the seeds better. So the reason why I'm doing this way is just so it will go everywhere, you know. So when I cook it, so you want to see the egushie, you just want to stir it right now. So when I don't stir it, okay, don't stir, just cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes before you give it a stir. So as you can see, guys, after 5 minutes, it's looking nice. It's looking very nice. As you can see, this is the time for you to stir, okay? So make sure you stir, you know, and then as you can see, with this way you can even eat it the way it is, okay? But that is not what we are using for the recipe. So now I'm adding my beans, my cooked beans. If you don't like cooked, it's optional. I'm just adding it because in Ghana I used to cook with it a lot too. And then also add your spinach. Okay, I didn't cook my spinach because if you cook it, it becomes too soft. And spinach, it doesn't take too long for you to cook spinach, guys. Spinach, I don't want to see an abe. So make sure you add it right now, okay? And then give it a little stir, let it sit, let it simmer, let it cook slowly. So guys, because I didn't use Maggi or whatever in it, I'm just adding about 3 teaspoons of fish powder. If you don't have fish powder, you have shrimp powder, you can go ahead and use your shrimp powder, okay? Or if you don't like it at all, just leave it the way it is. It's gonna taste better anyway. It's gonna taste good, okay? So don't worry about it. And now we're just gonna let it cook for about 10 minutes and our stew will be ready. I'm if you hate tradition. I pay so and many just say weekend. Hey. Alright, so guys, as you can see, my stew is ready. Today I'm going to enjoy with yams. You can eat it with rice, plantain, benku, eba, whatever you have, gari. You can eat it with it, okay? But today I'm going to boil some yam with the pona biji. So the berry come out. So thank you so much for watching. This is how I make my Nkontomere stew or Egushie stew. So if you want to try, go ahead and try. Leave me a comment for those who are new. Welcome back to my channel. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, and have a blessed weekend.